is a Miele Blizzard CX1. Miele's first attempt at a bagless cylinder vacuum cleaner. We've had a fair few of these. We probably know them quite well. The guy straight outright told me it's been for a house refurb. It doesn't work very well now. And I pretty much told him there and then, yeah, they don't like that. It's probably going to be a fairly good fix that you can have. So let's have a look at how badly this thing is, see if it works at all, and see if we're right that the inner filter is just completely full of fine dust. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Miele chums. How are you today? Yes, quite a premium cylinder vacuum cleaner this is from Miele, the old CX1. And I suppose it is old now because, well, they're now 2 generations on, I'm pretty sure. So, you know, hopefully they have improved things since then. Yeah, we have a bin which tells a very sorry tale. We have inside of here a filter which, yeah, I think is pretty clogged. But we shall humour it first, because who knows, it could have burned its motor out or have a load of rubber stuck in the fan and not be that at all. So we shall plug it in, turn it on. Well, that's not a great sign as it is, because the max light is flashing. Ooh! It's a power nozzle one. Ooh! I see. Wow. Well, yeah. It seems okay-ish. Let's check across the clog. Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's as powerful as it should. Anyway, but that's really cool. I haven't seen a power nozzle one before. This is exactly the same setup that was on the red velvet that we used to have. So yeah, nice to see Miele recycling that on. Well, I presume this must be the top of the line model then, because we didn't get a powerhead version in the UK. So I think this is probably as premium as it gets. Right. Well, the shroud is both there and clean-ish, you know, as clean as it needs to be. I'm sure he's been through all of this. I mean, if we pop this out, which you can do, it just slides out, that shroud is packed with dirt, although that alone wouldn't be, it's full of dirt as well, that alone wouldn't be the true cause of our issues. I think our true cause of our issues is this, and I think if we give this a half, give this a half turn and clean it out, that isn't full of dust, but this is, and I think that's going to be enough for it to, oh gosh, yes, this must be the DIY work then, because he said it literally stopped being good not long after it was used, so this must be the DIY work. And yeah, of course, being a bagless Miele, where dust retention is not its strong point, inside of there is filthy. But I don't think it's insurmountably bad. I think all I need to do is effectively wash all of this stuff up, and that's probably going to help an awful lot. So I'm going to come back once I have done that, and we shall see if this Miele Blizzard CX1 Comfort XL is any better. It's a couple of days later and everything is washed and cleaned. The filter is as spotless as it needs to be and should hopefully let a lot of airflow through. Everything else, yeah, comes up a treat with a good old wash. So, you know, either whether you do it semi-regularly or as an emergency like this, it will prolong the life of your machine. We'll pop the shroud back into there, and I just need to remind myself which way this will need to go. It's backwards, because this is what connects to that seal there. Again, all that's been wiped out a little bit. Should be good. And we can click that into there, I took this top cover off primarily so I could get rid of all the watermarks, and there was a lot of dust underneath, so we've got to try and fiddle that back on, but it should just click into place. There we go. And then, can't put that on yet, we're going to put this lovely clean filter back together. I'm not lining it up, look, I'm trying to push it down onto the unlocked position. There we go. So this can go into here like so. This can go into here like so. Then I can actually need to get the hose first, and then I can plug it in. There we go. So turn it on the machine, and then let's see if we have any more airflow. That's why we got no airflow. Look, we've got excellent airflow coming out of our filter. Ooh. That's marvellous. However, I am spotting a slight air leak. Right, let's try again. It doesn't work now. We can panic. There she is. Oh yeah. Fantastic performance. Oh yeah. The head will now stick itself down. Oh no, you best not make it too dirty. Oh, it's filthy again. Wow. Has that really picked up? All I did was just put the floor head down on the floor. Blimey. This rug does need a pretty good big clean. There we go. I'll wipe that off with my shirt and we'll call that done. Put that back on. Ooh. I had somewhere, and he'll want it back, the crevice tool, because yeah, that had taken a lot of the plaster dust as well. So yeah, we are all back together. One very nice, very top of the range. Mr. Tayab had one of these apparently, and he said he loved it about as much as he loves any Miele cylinder, which is a bit. Put the cable back in, and there we go. We can say that we have saved yet another Miele Blizzard, probably the toppest of the range that we will see, because again, we do a power hose version. And the cat and dog probably sit below this one. I don't know, comment down below. Miele experts, tell me what you think. But this one can go back to its owner, and we can await the next. So for now, I thank you very much for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed. And I and some other melodramatic Miele will see you soon. Bye bye.